Today, let's talk about knee replacement surgery in Malaysia and what the numbers actually show. Unlike some countries, Malaysia does not publish a single nationwide figure for total knee replacements. Data is fragmented between the public and private sectors. The Ministry of Health provides clinical guidance, but exact national totals are not available. To understand the trend, we can look at individual hospitals. At KPJ Kuching Specialist Hospital, over 1,100 robotic-assisted knee replacements have been performed as of mid-2025. At Alti Orthopedic Hospital in Kuala Lumpur, annual knee replacements increased from 136 in 2022 to 191 in 2023. And at Glen Eagles, Johor, the hospital recently marked 100 robotic total knee replacement cases. In the public sector, Kuala Lumpur Hospital has introduced robotic-assisted technology. So far, 21 joint replacement surgeries have been performed using the robotic system. The key point is this: while Malaysia does not publish a nationwide total, reports from hospitals clearly show that knee replacement is growing in demand. Both public and private hospitals are expanding access, with robotic-assisted options becoming more common. For patients with severe osteoarthritis, surgery remains an important option when other remedies are no longer effective. Now, let's talk about something many patients ask. What does knee replacement surgery cost in Malaysia? In private hospitals, the cost of a total knee replacement usually ranges between 30,000 and 50,000 ringgit, depending on the hospital, the surgeon, and whether robotic-assisted technology is used. In public hospitals, the cost is much lower thanks to government subsidies. Patients may pay under 10,000 ringgit, though waiting times are often longer. Malaysia is also a medical tourism hub, where international patients seek affordable joint surgery compared to prices overseas. To summarize, private hospital costs usually fall between 30 and 50,000 ringgit per knee. Public hospitals are more affordable but involve longer waits. And Malaysia remains one of the most cost-effective destinations in the region. At My Dermacare Joint Health, we're here to support you with tips, education, and natural solutions for healthier joints. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos on joint pain and mobility.